them time Steve a baby. Steve could be more about 7, 8 most. A cool youth. I don't know a person who would have something bad to say about Steve.
No, son, I mean... You know, officer.
That's 15 man. 15 man.
So my son met in an accident, yes, from the Wednesday. And honest to God, if it wasn't for is the health system, today where I think my son is not here. It's a long story, but on the Monday, the accident happened the Wednesday, and on the Monday, we talked to the neurosurgeons and the team of doctors, and they assured us that we did not need an ICU. And if I didn't have doctors at KPH to be praying and praying and praying for them to check to see the health of my son, is when they told me this Thursday to come in and speak to one of the doctors. It was then that I know that my son really needed an ICU. And it's so unfortunate, and I hope this goes public, because it can happen to any of us children or any of us. Right now I'm scared to get sick based on what happened to you. Right?
Medication while he was there, which he didn't get.
We had to buy as simple as Panadol and Baralgin to go in the IV. On a Saturday, he was like roasting, Jamaican term, with fever. Right?
The point was he caught pneumonia in the hospital because what they were using wet towel and ice to keep the fever down, and his mattress was wet. So you tell me, who is to blame why I'm catching pneumonia? Him not in an ACU room, he's in a ward with several people and he should be in a critical ICU unit then, critical condition. So at the end of the day, they compounded it, wine catch pneumonia.
I understand is that in hospital pneumonia, that's what was the major problem. And it seems they could not deal with it. It feels like something missing from my inside right now.
At first, never from the accident scene from the accident. Me never go there.
Father, I'm by one freight liner. I think that truck up a speaker man right now. Yeah man, when him father buy them, I don't know about big truck and me and my brother go amongst them and them time I still not baby.
Me, no big man could have, even you as big as you, couldn't control him. Yeah, and it happened. His favorite truck when he said never sell. When he was sell the other truck.
We don't sell no truck.
That gone with him.
We don't sell no truck.
If it wasn't for the social media, the cell phone, the calls, the WhatsApp, the emails,
I know.
the call from business people, we would not be standing here today.
Me talk every day, so I'm sorry he couldn't get one broke hand and one broke foot and
Then, yeah, he would alright. When this happened, you know how well loved him is by the people out there. These persons would be here at this point in time.
Right?
So it's just the love and the support.
This is just support for the family now while we are here.
And this was not arranged by the family. Right? Get that straight? This was arranged by the truckers. They said it's their little thing for him, and that's why.
blind. Yo, you see what I'm going right now? Steve, my friend. Man, but memories, my dad. I hate man. One love, Stephen. Me and him, Plitty. Pull up the girl, I'm going to eat. Hey, I'm going to put up on the internet, I'm going to see.
I can't tell a man, I know a whole heap of kindness from Stephen. A whole heap. He's a man who call me and check for me. Daddy one, where you deal with now? You're good? You don't see you from what day? I can remember 2020 for my birthday, we don't have me spec this up. I have a drink. And I tell him, say, boy, I cook some food. And he said to me, say, Daddy one, I got a Portland and take up and load of gravel. Stephen take 5,000 out of my wallet and give me. And say, buy a drink till me forward. And I did it and he go load the gravel and come back. And the next truck I go to Portland. And he said, Daddy wants 5,000 and more. Have a next drink. And that was just Stephen. You can't tell a man this. When Stephen died, he was 21 years old. Stephen can drive, yeah? Yeah, man, Stephen can drive.
We see the outpour of love on the prayers and we go out for him. At the end of the day, we know, say, yeah, Stephen that time, always jovial.
Right.
He take like me, like, you know, full of joke.
Loving, caring.
And him always try to make individuals who don't really talk to each other.
Happy,
him have happy. Everybody as him friend. That one, that's the one, and him always try to make them live in harmony and live good. When we are telling him to come in the outer road to help, man. Me and him in a private all, me tool when me ready to get the tool. That's the time, that's the one there. Every time. Love that. The weekend before, Stephen got a price man and buy a brand new tool set. And carry it to me and said, Daddy, I'll lend this out, you know. And I laugh, yeah man, I send him, my name Stephen. And the tool set there right there now. No you. I like him buy back in tool and say, see tool them where we are missed. I like him give me back. Who wants Stephen our friend? They never did even know say Stephen are my son. And when it happened they know. All that done and everybody out, at that time I go feel it more. Because I look for the night time when I come in, and I wake in my morning time.
Yeah, man.
When you look out in the truck, not about him not there.
You see, we as friends, after the officer eat, you know.
It's his son's birthday. Today is one.
To the side is one. You know,
But yeah,
we can't make the memory of Stephen just gone.
I want him.
His son, as he knows,
His legacy I will live on. If not way up to the truck, when I fix up, when I done fix up, I make it happen and it'll go out the same. It'll go out.
9400.
The 9400. Yeah, man. Me want to finish it how he want it and it'll go out there and him that.
You know, so we never have a family member that pass, so I cry, say it.
Well, for people tell me.
Never.
Because our guy will tell me upon him WhatsApp, then brother been around 2 weeks time and he don't feel it like how he feels Steve. Them you they love him. Him well loved.